Hello all, myself Thorun Patel. I am faculty at Insights IAS. I have done my Masters in Agriculture from Indian Agriculture Research Institute, New Delhi. Following the success of our last few batches, which has produced toppers like Lakshmi Priya, who got 176th rank, we are now delighted to announce a new program called as I-ARI, Insights Agriculture Optional Revise and Recall Initiative. Agriculture Optional, often dubbed as Insurmountable Conundrum by the aspirants. Is that really so? What are the factors which are actually hindering the aspirant from scoring that 300 plus? One of the main reasons often students give is, say we have content but we don't know how to represent it. It is always coming to this presentation skills. It is difficult for us to make value additions to the existing materials, if at all you had done the notes. If not, like often students say, we don't have the time to make our own notes. We are dependent on the institution's material. Difficulty in covering the PYQs, which is very wide and very vast. So often students find very less time for the emphasis on PYQs, but it is very vital in the preparation. Non-availability of proper test series. Well, here is a program which is one-point solution for all these problems. The following program, it is comprising of the following details. 100 plus PYQ discussion, which focuses on giving conceptual clarity and giving you time to construct the answer in the classes, and then wide discussion on the same concept, and then value addition, like for example, how to add data, how to add diagrams, etc. This focus will be given, and presentation skills will be the main focus in this program. It will have an integrated test series program, which comprises of 4 full-length tests. So let's say when we are completing paper 1, then we are going to give 1 paper length full length, and when we are going to complete paper 2, then again paper 2 full length will be given, and in the end 2 simulation tests will be given. One-to-one mentorship access will be provided for all. For the first time in this program, we are trying to bring our toppers into the context of teaching. We are trying to bring them either in offline or else online, so that they can give their valuable feedback to the students. Mainly the focus will be on providing the inputs for examination mindset, how to be prepared for those unknown questions which will be there in the examination. Let's say for example, when this question 1, agronomical practices for quality protein maize was asked, so many students face the difficulties. So with the toppers, we are going to give this sort of feedback to the student. We are also trying to bring subject expertise into the classroom scenario. We are trying to bring our fellow friends who are serving as scientists in their respective fields, so that they can give their domain knowledge to the students. It will be very helpful for the students who are aspiring to give mains this year, and also it will be really helpful for the students to develop a broad insights on the topic, especially for next year aspiring students. As the saying goes, failing to plan is planning to fail. So take that first brave step and choose this program, which would be very vital for your preparation. Do get benefited from the program, which is mainly designed by keeping your concerns in the context, and hope to see you all off in the classrooms. Thank you.